Beautiful weather, wasn't it? Rain, cold, we still had people turn up, it was good. So my name's Uncle Brendan. I'm a cultural representative from Metropolitan Aboriginal Land Council. And the Aboriginal Land Council in Sydney, we are the cultural authority and the guardians and custodians of the land within the boundaries of the Eora Nation. So the boundaries for the Eora Nation start from the ocean, it goes all the way up to the Hawkesbury River, all the way out to the Nepean River, and all the way across to the Georges River.